Welcome to DARA Switchboards, the fastest growing manufacturer of customised switchboards in Australia. DARA's custom switchboard manufacturing plant is based in Mulgrave, Victoria. Here you will see a dedicated team of professionals always on the move, making quality switchboards that power Australian cities, industries and mines. They manufacture customised distribution boards, main switchboards, meter panels, control panels and mining duty switchboards for a wide range of clients. DARA's customised switchboards are installed throughout Australia in shopping centres, industrial facilities, commercial and multi-residential buildings, even renewable energy projects. DARA switchboards are fully equipped to deliver your customised product from design through to manufacture, cabling and final quality control. You can be confident that once on site, your switchboard will meet regulations and won't delay your installation's connection to the grid. DARA manufactures switchboard enclosures from a wide range of materials, including zinc steel, aluminium and even stainless steel, in any specification and colour. You can rest assured that your specific requirements from one project to another will be met. DARA switchboards are fitted with world-class electrical equipment from the best technologies and components through partnering with global manufacturers and distributors. By choosing DARA for your switchboard, you will unlock the full potential that you deserve, giving you the power to choose the best fit for your project. Customised jobs is what DARA thrives in. It's what they excel in. So send them your specifications to receive competitive pricing and a timeline that will help you get your job finished on time and budget.